Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add effect to overlay only in CapCut PC. For example, I'm just going to add images, sorry. So add the track. So I'm going to add this green screen image as an overlay. Just move up like so. And I'm just going to remove all the green screen. Just click on OK, select color picker and select green color, just forest change, and then shadow under your fine perfect. So, and I'm just going to add effect, go to effect, select video effect, and select the effect you like. For example, I'm going to add the black place. Alright. But I want to apply this effect to overlay only. So how to just select the overlay and effect, and then right click and select create component clips so you can see the final result. Yeah, this black place is applying to overlay only. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.